Hi everyone, this is Gleeza, made with Glee. In this video, I'm going to create two different looks out of one wreath as part of the Ultimate Fall Wreath Playlist collaboration being hosted by Design to the Nines and Kristin Kay. These two very talented and lovely ladies wanted us to share our fall wreaths, and I am creating a wreath that I hope to use throughout September and October. Maybe I'll keep it for November. I don't know if I find a different sign, but I'm going to show you what I really did. Now, I got all of my supplies from the Dollar Tree. I am using one roll of the orange deco mesh and one roll of the black, and I don't want to give you guys a tutorial. You already know how to do this. Just go ahead and cut little pieces and tie them onto your wreath. Now, I only did half of my wreath with the deco mesh, and the other half I just wrapped orange ribbon because that's the side that I'm going to use to make my wreath changeable. Now, just to give a little bit more of the fall touch and not pure Halloween, I tied in this burlap polka dot and the pumpkin ribbon, also from the Dollar Tree. Just about 3 or 4 little pieces in different spots, just to break up the orange and black and, not have it be a full-on Halloween wreath at first. And the way I plan on decorating with this is the inspiration is the signs from the Dollar Tree. I love all of the signs they have this year. They have some really great designs, and I think simply by changing the signs and a bit of ribbon, you can have a completely different look to your wreath. So I just put in about 3 little sprigs of the polka dot and pumpkin ribbon. And then after that, I went ahead and created a funky bow of sorts and used double-sided foam mount to stick that onto the Dollar Tree Hello Fall red truck sign. I absolutely love this sign. It's so cute. And I wanted to use it, but I wasn't sure. I didn't want to bring in the red into the wreath, so I think it looks good the way it is. And I use, of course, the buffalo plaid, buffalo check, whatever you guys call that, the black and white ribbon, just to add a little bit more of the fall country look to it. So as you can see, it's one-sided now, where it's like, off center, I should say, where the sign is on one side and then all your poof is on the other. So I like how that turned out. Now here's for the second look. Go ahead and remove once September is over and we're going into October. We're going to go ahead and remove our sign, and I just attached that sign with chenille stem, so I didn't have to do anything hard to get it off. I am using now some Halloween ribbon, also from the Dollar Tree, and this I am simply wrapping it around. No additional cut or tie into it. Just wrap it all the way around, and just to show you that you don't need much, I took 3 pieces of purple deco mesh and 2 purple floral stems from the Dollar Tree, as well as a Halloween sign to create my second look. So this I really like because I like the purple and the oranges. I don't know why. I really do. I think it looks great for Halloween. So this is going to be my Halloween wreath. And that's the eat, drink, and be scary sign from the Dollar Tree. I am again using just chenille stems to attach that to my wreath. Now again, nothing here is glued on or permanent. Everything can be easily changed out or removed. So if I find a better sign, something cuter, I can always change it out. And again, the ribbons, it's just looped in there. And the one with the pumpkin, it's simply twist-tied, so I can always take that out too if I find some other signs that I happen to like. And that's my wreath hanging up on the door with the 2 sprigs and the sign. And then I had an idea. I did pick up the witch's legs, also from the Dollar Tree. So I thought, hey, you know what? This would actually be cute with the witch's leg hanging down from it. So I took out, just to show you without the florals, how it looks. And then I added back the florals with the witch's legs. And then I have an entire new look. So actually, this are 3 looks in one. So I hope you guys like my ideas. Thank you, Design to the Nines and Kristin Kay, for the fun collaboration. I look forward to checking out the playlist of all the great fall wreaths. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!